Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast from the Web Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can change video in Canva from portrait to landscape. So I will show you how you can change the video size or Canva size. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you two option or method you can say. First, I'm going to show you how you can take the desired size of video in Canva. Then how you can I will show you how you can change that from portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait. Okay, so first, if you want to take the video canvas, go to the create here and go to the video, and here from you can see the your desired canvas size. Okay, here you can see the landscape, the Facebook video. If you want portrait, that you can choose mobile video here, and we have the more options. Okay, so I just take that portrait mobile video. Okay, I just take one templates. Okay, so let's say if this is my video and I want to change it to the landscape. This is my portrait side video, I want to change to the landscape. So here, go to the resize and go to the customize size, and this is our existing video size. Okay, so if you want to go with the landscape, here you can see the landscape option, you can click on it, and also you can modify these numbers, width and height, with units like pixel and inch. Okay, after that, okay, I've selected that landscape. Now make sure you choose the perfect size. Here the you selected size. Okay, now here you can see the two options, copy and resize this design. The first option, if you click, then Canva will be keep your existing design and create the new design with the your selected size. And resize this design means Canva resize your existing design. Okay, so you can try this copy and resize, so you can save. If you want to make modify again, then you can modify with your original design. Okay, so this is our new design. Okay, Canva is smart, so it's already convert all elements or text to the landscape size. You can change if you want, like this. Okay, so now you have done, you have converted from portrait to landscape. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.